This is rocky goodness. So lots of rocks on here. It's one of these sections where it's easy to lose the trail right here. Just a bunch of lines through all that. Jump this. Boom.
So if you looked at the time in the video, obviously this is not a 5-minute video. That's because the timer doesn't start until right now. So that's 5 minutes or less, starting.
So it's February 25th. Pete's with me. He's gonna have to be putting up with me talking to the camera. It is, what, 60 degrees right now?
Beautiful.
Yeah, 60 degrees in February. It'll probably be snowing next weekend, which I'll take that too. We're gonna climb up and then bomb down as best as two overweight guys can bomb down a trail. If we can admit to that on camera. So we start on this one near the top of the Blue Uplands Trail, and it climbs up relatively gently. A little bit of technical, like this rock right here, which I'm probably at the point now where I don't need to get out of my seat, but I still do. I can usually make this little climb without any difficulty. Oh shit, just about lost it there though. This is rocky goodness. All right, yellow down. So lots of rocks on here. The rocks are just a little bit wet today when we're riding. There's a few spots riding through here where I freaking lose the trail because there's just so many rocks and so many possible lines up and over the rock. This trail's almost a non-stop rock garden. It's one of these sections where it's easy to lose the trail right here. Just a bunch of lines through all that. And then hard right 90 after this log. I'm gonna wait for Pete. Already, you ready?
Yep.
Okay. Make sure I'm clipped in for this. Okay. Jump this. Boom. So we're approaching what we affectionately call the playground. And you can bypass the playground, but it's a lot of fun. Oh! What the hell was that?
Stuff is just slippery enough.
That leaf on a root. Just about because of a leaf. And I'm doing that again. So anyways, this is the playground loop. Now the really hardcore guys will ride some of these other things over here.
Yeah.
Like, if you look over here, you can go up this big rock right here, and then down there's a little rock buildup over that.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
And mind you, this was built before they were building bikes like they're building them right now.
So this way, up on top of that.
Yeah. This is one of the things here. One of the few things I have not seen anybody actually ride is that line right there. Seen this one plenty of times. Which that's child's play at this place. Yeah, so it's possible to ride that first rock I rode over there, go over those rocks, over the big boulder, down the little buildup, over that next boulder, then down and up and over the other rock. Alrighty, carrying on. Another little bit of a continuous rock garden. No moss on this rock. Now there's a section up here that I very rarely make. I'm gonna try it today. It's just this one technical spot right up here to the right turn through these rocks. Did it. Woo! Right, that's what I usually do right there. Now we climb out. The guys who are fit and have lots of energy will go over these rocks. I'm not fit, and I don't have lots of energy. I always dig this. You ever notice this spot right here? The rock split by the tree. And that's why paper beats rocks, people, right there. You didn't hear it from me, but there's a shortcut to the right here. You can cut about 300 or 400 yards out of your ride by just trailblazing. Again, you didn't hear it from me.
Alright, so that was a trail tour in 5 minutes or less. Hope you enjoyed it. And again, thanks for watching. You can help support the production of these videos by supporting me on Patreon. Also, be sure to go over and check out the links in the description below for some of my online stores where you can get cool t-shirts like this one right here. I also have some hoodies that mix bike life with van life. Again, thanks for watching.
And that concludes our tour down the mountaintop trail, yellow trail, at South Mountain Emmaus. As always, tread lightly, work hard, play hard, and be a big softy when you get home.